In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Sheets on Windows 11 in a way that makes it feel just like a native application on your computer. While Google Sheets is widely used and extremely convenient for managing data and performing various calculations, accessing it swiftly can enhance your productivity significantly. Let's walk through the steps you need to follow to get Google Sheets up and running as an application on your Windows 11 device. To begin, open Google Sheets using the Chrome browser on your computer. If you haven't already, go ahead and type sheets.google.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once Google Sheets is displayed, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome window where you'll find what we refer to as the three-dot menu. This menu, sometimes known as the Settings or Options menu, will allow you to make changes to how Chrome interacts with your applications. Once you click on the three-dot menu, you'll see various options. Depending on the version of Chrome you are using, you might find Cast, Save, and Share, or the More Tools option if your version is slightly older. It's normal for browsers to have slight variations in their interface based on updates. Don't worry. Proceed by selecting Install Google Sheets. For some versions, you may instead see Create Shortcut. This functionality allows you to essentially pin Google Sheets so you can access it much more easily. Before finalizing this step, ensure you enable the Open as Window option. By doing this, you allow Sheets to open in a dedicated window, free of the usual clutter of browser tabs and controls, making it appear more like a standalone application. Now that you've enabled Open as Window, go ahead and click the Install button. What this does is confirm your preferences and complete the installation process. Following this, you'll discover that Google Sheets is now installed seamlessly as though it were a desktop application. You can now access Google Sheets straight from your Windows Start menu. Simply click the Start button, and you should see Google Sheets listed amongst your applications. For even quicker access, you can pin it to your taskbar by right-clicking the Google Sheets icon in the Start menu and selecting Pin to Taskbar. This keeps Google Sheets just a click away whenever you're working on your computer. Moreover, having Google Sheets on your desktop means it's easily accessible without having to open your browser, log into your Google account each time, or type the address into your browser. This seamless integration can help enhance your workflow, making your data management tasks much more efficient. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've installed Google Sheets on Windows 11. Ready to use as a desktop application. We hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Google Sheets with more ease than ever before.